Hello students, now we'll discuss statutory protection to collecting banks. Statutory protection to collecting banks. Section 131. Section 131 of the Negotiable Instrument Act. Negotiable Instrument Act. A banker, while collecting crossed checks, checks is given protection. According to this section, a banker who has in good faith and without negligence received a payment for the customer of check crossed generally or specifically to himself shall not, in case the title of the checks proves defective, incur any liability to the true owner of the check by the reason only having received such payment. A banker who has in good faith and without negligence received payment for a customer of a check crossed generally or specially to himself, generally or specially, shall not, in case the title of the checks proves defective, incur any liability to the true owner of the check by reason only having received such payment. Section 131 of a Negotiable Instruments Act. Section 131 of the Negotiable Instrument Act provides protection to collecting banker who receives payment of a crossed check. किसे प्रोवाइड करता है प्रोटेक्शन? कलेक्टिंग बैंकर को, जो कि रिसीव करेगा पेमेंट ऑफ अ क्रोस्ड चेक और अ ड्राफ्ट ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ हिज कस्टमर्स. The protection provided by Section 131 is not absolute but qualified. यहाँ हम कह रहे हैं कि जो प्रोटेक्शन है ना इस सेक्शन के अंडर, इट्स इज नॉट एब्सोल्यूट बट क्वालिफाइड. A collecting banker can claim protection against conversion if the following conditions are fulfilled. कौन सी conditions? Good faith and without negligence, acts as an agent, collection for a customer, crossed checks. Then we will discuss good faith and without negligence. Good faith and without negligence available to a collecting banker when banker receives payment in good faith and without negligence. The phrase in good faith means, यहाँ good faith means honestly and without notice और इंटरेस्ट ऑफ डिसीट. कोई फ्रॉड नहीं है, कोई डिसीट धोखेबाजी नहीं है. एंड डज नेसेसरीली रिक्वायर केयरफुलनेस. गुड फेथ मीन्स ऑनेस्टली and without notice or interest of deceit or fraud, and does not necessarily require carefulness. Negligence means failure to exercise reasonable care. It is not for the customer or the true owner to prove negligence on the part of the banker The burden of proving that the banker collected in good faith. Good faith without negligence is on the banker. The banker should have exercised reasonable care and diligence. What constitutes negligence depends upon facts of each case. Following are few examples which constitute negligence. First one is failure to obtain reference for a new customer. Obtain reference for a new customer at the time of opening the account. At the time of the opening the account. Then collection of checks payable to trust accounts. Payable to trust accounts for crediting to personal accounts of a trustee. देखिए ट्रस्टी वर्ड यूज़ हो रहा है ना यहाँ पर, पर्सनल अकाउंट्स ऑफ अ ट्रस्टी, तो यहाँ हम ट्रस्ट अकाउंट्स कह रहे हैं. कलेक्शन ऑफ चेक्स पेबल टू ट्रस्ट अकाउंट्स. नेक्स्ट collecting for the private accounts for the partners, checks payable to the partnership firms. Next, omission to verify the correctness of endorsements on checks payable to order. Omission to verify the correctness of endorsement on checks payable to order. Next is failure to pay attention to the crossing, particularly the not negotiable crossing. Pay attention to the crossing, particularly the not negotiable crossing. Then collection for a customer. Statutory protection is available to a collecting banker if collects on behalf of his customer only. कभी अवेलेबल होगा स्टैट्यूटरी प्रोटेक्शन जबकि कस्टमर के सिर्फ कस्टमर के बिहाफ पर कलेक्ट करेंगे. इफ बैंकर कलेक्ट्स फॉर अ स्ट्रेंजर और नॉन कस्टमर then does not get such protection. Okay, clear. कि स्ट्रेंजर और नॉन कस्टमर को नहीं के लिए नहीं प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड कराया गया है. इट इज़ ओनली फॉर द कस्टमर. एज इफ ड्यूली क्रॉस्ड चेक्स, ड्यूली क्रॉस्ड checks are only protected in their collection if handled for the customer. A bank can't get protection when banker collects a check as holder for value. Okay, when banker collects a check as holder for value, the bank is entitled for protection as it received collection for an employee of the customer and not for the customer. कब एंटाइटल कर रहे हैं प्रोटेक्शन? जबकि रिसीव्ड कलेक्शन फॉर एन एम्प्लॉई ऑफ द कस्टमर, कस्टमर के एम्प्लॉय के लिए, एंड नॉट फॉर द कस्टमर. देन एक्ट्स एज एन एजेंट. A collecting banker must act as an agent of the customer in order to get protection. Banker must receive the payments as an agent of the customer and not as a holder. यहाँ देखें, banker must receive the payment as an agent of the customer and not as a holder under independent title. टाइटल हमने पढ़ा था ना, तो टाइटल क्लियर होना चाहिए ना, और एग्जामिन करना है टाइटल हमेशा। तो यहाँ हम बात कर रहे हैं banker must receive the payment as an agent of the customer and not as a holder under independent title. The banker as a holder for value is not competent to claim protection from liability in conversion. In case of forgery, the holder for value is liable to the true owner of the check. फोर्जरी के केस में क्या होगा, द होल्डर फॉर वैल्यू है, होल्डर फॉर वैल्यू is liable to the true owner of the check. Next one is crossed checks. Statutory protection is available only in case of crossed checks. देखें, crossed check के केस में सिर्फ प्रोटेक्शन अवेलेबल होगा. It is not available in case uncrossed or open checks. ओके, अनक्रोस्ड में नहीं, ओपन चेक्स में नहीं अवेलेबल होगा, बिकॉज देयर इज नो नीड टू कलेक्ट देम थ्रू अ बैंक. चेक्स therefore must be crossed prior to their presentment to the collecting banker for clearance. In other words, the crossing must have been made before it reached the hands of the banker for collection. If the check is crossed after it is received by the banker, protection is not available. See, if the check is crossed after it is received by the banker, तभी भी प्रोटेक्शन अवेलेबल नहीं है. इवन ड्राफ्ट्स आर कवर्ड बाय दिस प्रोटेक्शन. जो ड्राफ्ट्स होंगे वो अंडर प्रोटेक्शन आएंगे. नाउ conclusion, it is necessary that the collecting banker should have acted without negligence. If banker wants to claim statutory protection under section 131 of the said act, the statutory protection is available to the banker if collects a check marked not negotiable for a customer whose name is not used as the payee, therein provided the requirements of the said sections are duly complied with. Okay, thank you.